Hello everyone, it's Songling here. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making smoothies. There's not much to say about them other than they are delicious and sometimes can be a quick meal replacement when you don't have the time or appetite to eat. I'm going to share with you 3 different recipes that I love. So without further ado, let's start. The first one we're making is a green smoothie with kale and ginger. Here's what you need, and as always, you can find the list of ingredients and amount in the description box below. Smoothies are generally very simple to make. Just add all the ingredients into your blender and let the machine do the rest for you. One tip here is that if you don't have one of those expensive powerhouse blenders, well, I don't, it can be a little tricky to blend vegetables like kale or spinach. If that's an issue for you, try to add in only half of the liquid, which can be milk, juice, or whatever you're using. Blend everything until smooth and then incorporate the rest. It's a trick that works well for me every time. Alright, let's move on to smoothie number 2 with blueberries and banana. Same drill here, dump everything into the blender cup, mix until smooth, and enjoy. Taste-wise, this is the most satisfying one out of the 3. It's sweet, rich, and creamy. If you love blueberries as much as I do, this will be your new favorite. You're welcome. Last but not least, a creamy avocado smoothie. I love having avocados for breakfast, so this is my go-to option in the morning. Just like the first 2 smoothies we made, put everything into the blender cup and blend until smooth. Oh crap, I forgot to add ice. Okay, drop the ice cubes in and put it back onto the blender, and there you have it, a perfect for breakfast avocado smoothie. Now we've got the basic recipes, let's talk about some extra ingredients. These are not required but can be added into your smoothies for a boost of energy, vitamin, or whatever it is that you need. Here's what I use most often. MCT oil, which stands for medium chain triglycerides oil for a quick boost of energy, protein powder for protein, and collagen peptide for skin and bones improvement. Things like chia seeds or flax seeds are also good. I'm just not a fan of their texture, but this is entirely personal, so choose based on your preference. One more thing I want to mention here is that smoothies are great for meal prep. All you need to do is to clean, cut, and portion out the fruits and veggies and put into individual freezer bags. To make life easier, I always label the bags with what's in it and what else I need to complete the recipe. Store them in your freezer, and whenever you feel like having a smoothie, just take one bag out, add in the liquid ingredients, blend, and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you have any questions and subscribe so you won't miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!